Please subscribe my channel.
Click AI for earning money. While there are many ways AI, artificial intelligence, can be used to make money, it is important to note that there is no such thing as a guaranteed way to earn money using AI. Here are some potential ways AI could be used to earn money. Trading. AI algorithms can be used to analyze market data and make predictions about the direction of the market. This can be used for algorithmic trading or to inform investment decisions. Content creation. AI can be used to generate content, such as articles, videos, and social media posts. This can be useful for businesses that need to create a lot of content quickly or for individuals who want to monetize their content creation. Online advertising. AI can be used to optimize online advertising campaigns, making them more effective and efficient. This can help businesses increase their ROI, return on investment, and generate more revenue. Fraud detection. AI can be used to detect and prevent fraud in financial transactions, such as credit card transactions or online payments. This can save businesses money by preventing fraudulent activity and chargebacks. Predictive analytics. AI can be used to analyze data and make predictions about future trends, such as customer behavior or sales trends. This can be used to inform business decisions and increase profitability. However, it's important to note that using AI for earning money can be complex and may require specialized knowledge and skills. It's important to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits before investing time and resources into an AI project.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.